This goes together like a pina colada party. And serve it with a dust of powdered sugar and a dollop of whipped cream. Oh no! Hey, just what we need. 3 cups. Load them up, you scallywags. Do a cannonball or something this time. Oh, it's rubbing against my coconuts. There you go. Ooh, almost started a fire. Marina, let's go make sure Nadia's Scorchfield doesn't mess this up. Last one there's a rotten egg. 3 cups is about 15 ounces. Well, chef treat. Get out your blender for this one. It's party time. Zest your lemon right into it. Then squeeze about a tablespoon of the juice into your cherries. Add a cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and 1/2 cup of sugar. 3 eggs. And our little secret is a teaspoon of nutmeg. Aha! Now I can spoil the pot. I'll get those loonies if it's the last thing I do. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a 1/2 cup of flour, and give that a whiz all around to get the air in there. The air is what's gonna give this rise and help it expand in the oven. Grease your dish liberally with butter. We use 2 tablespoons. And at the last minute, we decided to slice these huge cherries in half to get a nice layer. Pour the batter over them and bake for 40 minutes. Shiver me timbers! Hold her steady, crew! Whoa! Ah! Boil again! Ha! You blimey, leave a comment and hit the like button.